guide our reflections as we commemorate the 2007 11th of March brutal show of force by the state. First, the realization of the salvation and a season of enlightenment of Jerusalem. So this is one thing that the prophet states here, that he would want to see the salvation of Jerusalem and the ensuing enlightenment. And if he was speaking in the context of Zimbabwe, it was going to be the salvation of this country and enlightenment of the same. Second, to this end, the prophet and all the like-minded are resolute never ever to relent, but to continue advocating for the realization of the salvation of Jerusalem. He says, I will not remain quiet. I will not hold my peace. We are gathered here to commemorate the events of 14 years ago, when the state, through its agents, descended on the masses and violently disrupted the prayer meeting, resulting in a number of people being injured in the process, with one gift Tandira brutally shot dead. And it should be clearly noted that he died at the hands of the state. It should be noted that Zimbabwe has journeyed through torrid cycles